Musamsaleko officially welcomed the new Makoti, and the caption got people talking. Sisphilela ama caption aka Musamsaleko. So anyway guys, so let's get started. Do you know the rest of the house is Samani Pizza? Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So guys, Musamsaleko decided to post the picture yaka Spindi and his new girlfriend. So for those who don't know, Umpumelelo has a new girlfriend. Amahle guys, he did introduce her yesterday, and people were saying, "What's I man look girl we are fan of your cousin." Some are saying, "Oh, but you are busy posting a girlfriend ya Kampumelelo. You have never posted Uterelo. You have never posted wife number 5. What's so special and go Amahle guys?" One thing about Musamsaleko guys, he will do whatever he wants. Right now, not long ago, he did a post for your guys. The picture is still there. Even if you go now, if picture for your guys and the kiss is still there. But uterelo dololo guys. So this is the picture of caption. Asazi indoda iyojabulisa yini. Ngiyanibona niyakhuluma kodwa umendo uyatshontshwa. So guys, according to Musamsaleko, he's saying that you will never find a single man. If you want to get married and have a family, you need to steal someone's mind for you to get married. So guys, that's what Musamsaleko is trying to say. It's okay, oh baby girl, Amahle, she did a right thing for entering Kules Tembusak Ampumelelo guys, for being a second girlfriend. It doesn't matter ukuthi she has seen Uterelo and Mpumelelo posting together. As long as he's not yet married, you can date him guys, and now you will get a chance to be married by him. So guys, Musamsaleko officially welcome Amahle guys for the first time. A girlfriend yakampumelelo being welcomed by Musamsaleko. But one thing about stealing other people's men, guys, the ladies are using moti, so you need to be very careful. You never know. So anyway guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment.